Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another unboxing slash review video. Now what I've got here, it's a Devanti Dehydrator. I mainly got this to make jerky and dehydrate chilies. I've been growing a lot of chilies, so I want to dehydrate the chilies to make my own chili powder. And I also make my own beef jerky. I've got videos about making beef jerky on my channel. I used to have a cheap dehydrator, which I used for years, but it's now died. So I've had to get rid of that because it just no longer worked, and I spent a little bit more money and I bought one of these. This thing's quite big. I'm going to get it out of the box for you and then we'll have a closer look at it. Let's see. Right, there's the box in the box. Let's get this one out and I'll show it to you. Now, strangely enough, once I've opened the box, there's another white box in there. So let's open that one up. Here's the first thing out of the box, and this is what the dehydrator actually looks like. Okay, the next thing out of the box are these stainless steel dehydrator trays that you put inside the dehydrator, and there's the dehydrator. Let's get this plastic off and we'll see what she looks like. There you go, there's the front of it, made in China, like all great things. So it opens up a bit like a microwave there, and it's got like a digital control panel here which will light up once you plug it into the power point. So there it is out of the box, and let's head into the kitchen and start dehydrating some stuff and see how well it works. Here's the dehydrator in the kitchen, and I'll just show you. You open the doors and you've got your dehydrator shelves there, and it's like a proper oven door, like a door in your microwave. It just snaps shut and snaps open. Now this is really easy to set up. It does come with a whole instruction book here, but look, you don't really need that. This is really easy to use. You just press that button there and it comes up with a timer, and you go up and down to adjust your timer. That's an hour, so that's 9 hours, 8.5 hours. Keep tapping it. 4.5 hours. Press it again, it comes up with your temperature. Now 70 is the highest, it's not an oven, it's a dehydrator. You can set your temperature, and then when you're ready, you press start. And that's it. It's working. It will now automatically turn off after 4.5 hours. It will maintain that temperature. So it is really easy to use. And if you've got any questions about this dehydrator, do me a favour and leave the questions down below in the comments section. I'll try and reply to all comments. In the meantime, if you found this video useful at all, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the new dehydrator, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.